I've done a lot of videos about travelling, and I thought I couldn't resist doing this one on an aeroplane. This is a perfect example of where you need your lapel mic, and the audio is going to be a problem here. But I just thought, as I've done all of the other forms of transport that I can think of, I may as well include this one as well. So here we go. Another interesting video, which is all to do with keeping your viewers watching until the end. This is Vicky Blades, your video coach. If you want to know more about organic video marketing and how to build your foundational marketing library of videos, then please get in touch.